Hello, viewers and Flintstone Elementary School staff. This is Malcolm Brewster. I'm here to talk to you about Google Slides and also a program that I'm currently using right now called Screen-o-matic. Screen-o-matic allows you to record whatever's on your screen. I'm also going to teach you how to create these wonderful presentations to be able to show to your class. You might even want to convert your classroom into a flipped classroom, and I'll explain what that is later. But let's attack the question at hand. Now that I've flipped my classroom, what do I do in class? What is flipping? Do lectures outside of class on video and use class time to do homework and interactive activities. Many times students get home and home life is stressful, as well as they didn't get to the homework activity because they did not understand the lecture that was explained to them. So this allows you to have more interaction time with your students and have them focus on interactive activities. Why flip? Allows more time for analytical activities in the classroom. It also allows time for more interactive activities such as pair share and classroom discussions and debates. It also allows more time with your students. Time is one thing we can't get back as teachers, so to use time wisely is very important. What to record? Information they are learning for the first time is very important. Facts and concepts is important to record. Also, vocabulary that they're going to be using during the unit. Lecture material, and anything where repetition is helpful in the learning process. Steps for flipping your classroom. Choose a posting platform. You can choose Google Slides, which I'm using right now, and record your screen videos to Screen-o-matic. Screen-o-matic allows you to not only record a video and have it as a video file, which you can share with your students, but it also allows you to post YouTube videos. YouTube videos where you can create a teacher account in which students can actually view these videos. Record your videos, of course, using Screen-o-matic, or there are a lot of other screen ones out here, but Screen-o-matic is free, the magic word. Make an accountable structure. So you can say that you're going to post a video once or twice a week to have structure for your students on a Monday and Wednesday. Um, and also have formidable assessments. We just talked about Socrative. I know a lot of people also use Kahoot, and make follow-up activities for the classroom. So you might even have a reteach video for your students as well. Making your video, record your slideshow with your narration, such as I'm doing right now. Pop in and out of the video. You can pop in and out of the video using Screen-o-matic right now. And try to limit your video to 15 minutes. Post 1 to 2 videos per week. Don't be a perfectionist. Don't try to waste time. Try to do it in one take. If you need to have a script, you can have a script, but you know what you're teaching and you know what standards you need to cover. Don't be a perfectionist about creating the video. Just do the best you can. Don't want to download a YouTube star. Download your videos to MP3 files, MP4 files, as I explained using Screen-o-matic. And you can even put them on Edmodo if you use that as a classroom communication application for your students. Accountability, we need to make sure that students are actually watching the videos, so you can incorporate Socrative and Kahoot, which are informal and formal applications for testing, so that students are actually watching the video. And you can also see using YouTube how many views your video has got. So with that being said, you can see that your students have viewed the video or haven't viewed the video based upon the number of students that you have in your class and the views that you have on your YouTube video. Making the online quizzes is the most time-consuming aspect for me. But since the computer scores my formative assessments, I save grading time. I don't have to bring and lug home a whole bunch of papers. I can actually look at the grading system on Kahoot, or I can look at it on Socrative as well. The real challenge of flipping a classroom is what to do with the spare time in the classroom now that it's freed up. I have students do a warm-up sheet or warm-up activity on Socrative. I can also have them watch the video again or watch key points of the video. I can make up a fill out the blank or short answer using a Socrative or a pen and paper. Um, and I can also reteach different concepts that my students have struggled in. You can quickly analyze the results rather than teaching a whole lesson for the day. Also, make sure that you include creative activities uh, in uh, in your curriculum so that students don't feel bored and they don't feel like they need the answer. This is a quote from a fifth grade teacher. They expect everything to be given to them. They are too used to being told exactly what they must think and do. They have it hard to solve a challenge if they can't easily see the answer. Everything must be easy at their fingertips. And this is a college professor years later. I get the same problem when they reach me many years later at university. It's a symptom of our modern passive consumer society and is very unhealthy for learning and their future careers. Best to do research, give them multiple sources where they can create projects. Project-based learning is very important. They will remember projects before they remember any question or any quiz that you give them. Have them apply the information that they learn. Google Slides is a great way. Google Docs is a great way for them to show their knowledge and understanding. Uh, give student presentations. Have them use student presentations. These are different sites that they can use to be able to show their comprehension on the material that was taught. Also, save class time. With video making, they no longer have to present in class, saving valuable class time. They can actually make videos using Screen-o-matic, what I'm using right now. It's totally 100% free. Problem solving. Allow students to apply knowledge rather than copy. Project-based learning allows them to work for an extended period of time to investigate and respond to an authentic, engaging, and complex question, problem, or challenge. Group and team building. Working in groups takes practice. You can assign roles: discussion leader, reporter, timekeeper, and rotate those roles so that students have experience in each role in the discussion group. You can even give fine motor skill assignments where students can guess the words that they are sculpting using Play-Doh, the new vocabulary words that you discuss in your video. Oddly, technology is not the focus of Flipped Classroom. It's all about the best use of time. And I'm going to show you some quick applications for Google Slides. Right in Google Slides, you have your text boxes right here. You also have images that you can insert, videos that you can insert from YouTube, shapes that you can insert, tables that you can insert. You can explain this with your class and have them explore the different applications that Google Slides has to offer. Please explore flipped classrooms. There are a lot more videos on YouTube as well. Explore these slides and rewatch the video if you need to. Leave a comment for me, and thank you very much for your time.